Hello everyone, welcome back to another market review. This one will be a bit of a quicker review because it's quite late for me. But yeah, I'll just be going over today's trading day. Overall, I took a trade, it was a small win. And yeah, I'll just go through it. Overall, when we look at the calendar for today, we have news at 8:30, so I'd start looking for opportunities at 8:30. When we go to our higher time frame, on the monthly, I'm still looking for this external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So this is just kind of like a framework to keep in mind. We could see lower prices towards this fair value gap on the monthly chart. We go to the weekly chart right now. We still have this previous quarter high SMT and this change in the state of delivery, bearish reactions to the order block, and I would still expect previous quarter low to be hit. This has basically been my outlook for quite a while, but on the daily as well, this internal range liquidity to external range liquidity play, we've been chopping around this range for quite some time, but we are overall in this bearish range, and I'm still leaning more bearish than anything else. And then when we go to the 90-minute chart, we can see that this is our new range on the 90-minute chart. Even though it's a bullish range, I would still be more inclined looking for sells. We have a previous day high SMT in which NQ and DS took out previous day high, but YM failed to. And we also got that change in state delivery on all three assets. So my idea for today is to catch sells going lower towards that previous day low, and I'd be willing to take a 15-minute SMT or a 5-minute SMT on the highs, whichever presents itself. This is right before the session opens. This is how the 15-minute looked. We didn't have a previous session high SMT. We only had a previous session low SMT, but I'm not really paying too much attention to that as it's against the main bearish narrative. So I'll be waiting for 9:30 to look for a 5-minute SMT since we don't have a 15-minute SMT. So this is my update at 10:11 a.m. So this is already past equities open. We saw that price displaced from that London low SMT, and now we've got London high SMT. And then going to the 5-minute, we also had 5-minute SMT here, in which NQ closed above previous 90-minute high, and YM never took it out. And then we got that a displacement and a change in state of delivery right here for NQ, and that's why I entered short, and I was targeting previous day low. Overall, this was a pretty big target for my trade. It looked something like this, and previous day low was all the way down here, so it was like a 6 risk to reward trade. So as far as trade management goes, I entered here, and then when price reached around the bottom right here where this swing low is, I took 50% of my position off and brought stops to break even. So when price hit here, I secured the profits I have on the day, which is $680, so 0.68%. You can see here on my account here, $682 right there. And so I trimmed the profits here and then left the rest to run either to TP or to my break even. We ended up dancing around here for quite some time, and then we hit my break even and then immediately reversed, which was a bit annoying. And then but overall we did see price kind of lose some steam here and then retrace back up. So also another reason for me to be trimming at this area is because it's the day before NFP news release, and sometimes we can see some slower price action. So this was a way of protecting myself and getting some profits of the day, and not let it totally like reverse on me. So yeah, that was it for the day. Pretty straightforward. I've been looking for better setups like for the past 2 weeks, and my guess is going into tomorrow, I'm probably still going to be looking for sells down to that external range liquidity on the lows, on the daily lows. So yeah, that's about it for the day, and hope this was insightful, and we'll see you tomorrow. See ya.